Okay, so one of the things I preach about time and time again is the fact that content refreshes still work. And I think one of the best ways to explain what I mean by this is showing you an SEO test that we did ourselves on a content refresh. So if we take a look at this blog post that we have on RegEx here, we can see that it's quite detailed. We didn't actually add any sort of specific content. We added a few bits to make it more user-friendly for the reader. But in terms of actual word count, we removed about half of the content. So other than adding a linked table of contents here, which links through to the rest of the sections in the article itself, and adding some frequently asked questions, what did we actually do to the blog post? Well, if we look at the SEO test results here, we can see that we removed sort of fluff wording from the article, wording that didn't necessarily need to be there. We used headings that target search queries. So we can see here, why use regex instead of other filters? And we generally improved the readability of the article. And we put the reading scores in here. You can see before it was 2,484 words, and now it reads at 1,232 words. We removed the number of sentences, removed the number of paragraphs, made it a bit easier to read, and we took the reading time down by nearly half as well. So what were the actual results of that? Well, moving down to our traffic light system here, we can see that clicks per day nearly doubled, and that's even with site clicks per day going down. We can see that impressions per day were up 30%, the average position increased, the click-through rate increased, and we increased the number of queries as well. And then we can see here on the clicks graph, this is what the performance was looking like before we refreshed it. This is where we published the refresh, and we can see the growth from there. Same with impressions, same with average position, click-through rate, and then queries towards the end of the test as well. So that's why I preach it. Content refreshes do still work, and it is absolutely something that you should be doing on a regular basis if you're looking to improve the traffic on your website.